Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 4 part B. This is a poem. Its title is The Moon. And we have completed its reading and its vocabulary already. Today we are going to start its exercise. Now look here students. This is page number 40 and we are going to start its exercises. A part is understanding the poem and its first statement is answer the following questions. Students, it's very important to answer the questions after reading any topic, because in this way you can easily understand that how much you have learned from the reading or not. So the first one question is, what is the moon's phase compared to? Now look here on page number 39. The very first one line tells us that the moon has a face like the clock in the hall. So we will give the answer of this question, a clock face, that moon's face compared to a clock face. Now look at part B. What are the various things that the moon shines on at night? Now students, look here in the first one stanza that she shines on thieves on the garden wall, on streets and fields and harbor quays, and birdies asleep in the forks of trees. In the other stanza, here are also the names of some animals given like cat, mouse, dog, and bat. The moon shines on all that things at night. So we will give the answer of this question in this way. The answer of part B is thieves, streets, fields, harbor quays, birds sleeping in trees, and animals cat, dog, mouse, bat. So students, the moon shines on all that things. Now look at part C. Which creatures love to be out at night? Now students, look here in the second stanza. The squealing cat and the squeaking mouse, the howling dog by the door of the house, the bat that lies in bed at noon, all love to be out by the light of the moon. So the animals, that is squealing cat, squeaking mouse, howling dog, and bat, all these animals love to be out by the light of the moon. So we will write the answer of this question in this way. The cat, the mouse, the dog, and the bat. You have to tell the names of all that animals which love to be out at night. Now look at the D part. What do the things that belong to the day do at night? Now students, look at the last stanza. Here is told us that, but all the things that belong to the day cuddle to sleep to be out of her way. So they cuddle to sleep in a comfortable place. This is the answer of part D. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. E part is, the poet has mentioned various creatures of the night. What other creatures does the moon shine on at night? Students, you come to know that a lot of creatures are mentioned here in the poem. That bird is asleep in the forks of trees. Squealing cat is another creature. Squeaking mouse is another creature. And then howling dog and bat is also mentioned here in the poem, on which the moon shines at night. So the answer of this question will be, the moon shines at night on the birdies asleep, the squealing cat, the squeaking mouse, the howling dog, and the bat. Now look at F part. Name some creatures you know that love to cuddle up at night. Now look here, students. And flowers and children close their eyes till up in the morning the sun shall rise. So we come to know that flowers and children just cuddle up or just sleep at night. So students, we will write the answer of this question, that flowers and animals love to cuddle up at night. These all are the questions and their answers, and I think so this is quite clear to you. So you have to learn these all the comprehension questions. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.